Adobe Photoshop is a registered trademark of Adobe Systems Incorporated, and I am in no way affiliated with Adobe.
Okay, on this simple tutorial, I'm actually going to talk about screen mode in Photoshop. Now, people don't really realize what this is, but say, for instance, when I open a photograph, and I'm going to go to, I don't know, this photograph right here. Usually your Photoshop opens up like this. And I'm not too sure if this is exactly like this on PC, but I know on a Mac, usually pictures open up like this and you can still see your desktop in the background. Now, screen mode gives you a different way to view your image. If you go to View and you go down to Screen Mode, you'll see different options. You see Maximize Screen Mode, Full Screen Mode with the menu bar, and Full Screen Mode. If you hit Full Screen Mode, it takes you like that with the black background. Now, a more simpler way to do it, which I'm about to show you guys, is just hit the F key. F key will bring you to the normal, and then it'll take you to the next screen mode, and then it'll give you maximize screen mode, and then it'll give you the screen mode with the black background, which is always nice because it kind of singles out your image and kind of helps you look at what you have going on there. And the reason why I wanted to show you guys this is because you've been seeing me work this whole time on all these tutorials, and I have been changing my screen mode ever so often, and I wanted to touch base on that and show you guys that it is possible to do without the shortcut. But if you go to View and Screen Mode, you can actually see exactly the way your image should look, especially with that black background. It really helps with contrast. And that is a simple little tutorial on screen mode.